Good morning, everyone. My name is Zakwan from Malacca Technical School. Today I'll be talking about heat treatment, an important process in mechanical engineering that changes the properties of metals through controlled heating and cooling. This process improves strength, hardness, and durability, making it vital in manufacturing and modern industry.
Heat treatment is the process of heating and cooling metal materials under controlled temperatures. Its purpose is to improve the mechanical properties of the material so it can better withstand stress and high temperatures. Heat treatment is important to ensure machine components are durable and of high quality.
Hi, Alpha here. Here are 5 important purposes of heat treatment. 1. Increase strength and hardness. Improves a metal's ability to withstand stress and wear. Improve ductility and toughness. Makes the material less brittle and more flexible. Relieve internal stresses. Removes residual stresses caused by machining or welding. Enhance machinability. Makes metals easier to cut, shape, or form. Refine grain structure. Produces a uniform and fine-grained structure for better performance. My name Alia. In heat treatment, fuels are essential to produce the high temperatures needed to change the properties of metals. Common fuels include natural gas, which burns cleanly and offers good temperature control. LPG, efficient and suitable for small furnaces. Fuel oil, powerful but requires proper combustion. Coal, inexpensive but causes pollution. And electric energy, clean and precise, though more costly. The choice depends on efficiency, cost, and environmental impact.
Hi, my name is Easy. I will explain the types of heat treatment. Heat treatment is a controlled process of heating and cooling metals to change their physical and mechanical properties without altering their shape. It plays an important role in improving strength, hardness, ductility, and wear resistance of materials. There are several main types of heat treatment, each with specific purposes and results. 1. Annealing. Annealing is a process that involves heating the metal to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly, usually in a furnace. The main purpose of annealing is to soften the metal, improve ductility, and relieve internal stresses caused by machining or welding. It also refines the grain structure, making the metal easier to shape or form. 2. Normalizing. In normalizing, the metal is heated to a temperature above its critical point and then cooled in air. This treatment improves the mechanical properties of steel by refining its grain structure. Normalized steel becomes tougher and more uniform, making it suitable for further machining or forming.
3. Hardening. Hardening is carried out by heating the metal to a high temperature and then rapidly cooling it in water, oil, or air. The rapid cooling, known as quenching, increases the hardness and strength of the metal. However, this process also makes the metal brittle, so it is often followed by tempering to reduce brittleness.
4. Tempering. Tempering follows the hardening process. The hardened metal is reheated to a lower temperature and then cooled again. This process reduces brittleness while maintaining adequate hardness and strength. Tempered steel has improved toughness and is commonly used for tools, springs, and machine parts. In conclusion, heat treatment is an important process in mechanical engineering that improves the properties of metals. By carefully heating and cooling, we can make metals stronger, harder, tougher, or easier to shape. Each method, such as annealing, hardening, and tempering, has its own purpose. Overall, heat treatment helps produce better, more durable, and more reliable metal products for various industries.